Assalamu alaikum, my dear cadets of class 10. Welcome to my online physics class. During this corona outbreak, you are not able to stay at your home. Corona is a pandemic and it's a curse for human being. So that's why this online effort that has been taken by the authority of Borishal Cadet College. I think this program will be very helpful for all of us. So, yes, we are passing through a very crucial time during this corona outbreak. Please don't go outside of your home. Please stay home, stay safe. Don't make a plan to go outside of your home, and you should follow the advice to prevent corona. This class for class 10, subject physics, chapter 9, and name of my chapter is refraction. Yes, observe this image. This is related with our refraction. You know it very well that this today's discussion is the repetition of our previous class. Okay, today's topics are critical angle, total internal reflection, image formation by concave and convex lens, power of lens, effect of eyes. Learning outcomes. After the finishing of this chapter, you will be able to explain total internal reflection and critical angle, describe image formation by the lens, and you will be able to describe the power of lens, and you will be able to describe the defect of eyes. These are the key points of my today's discussion. I have divided my class into these following parts. At first, I will discuss about the image formation by concave and convex lens. Before starting this, I would like to discuss about the rules of image drawing. You know it very well that there are three rules for image drawing. First rule is when light goes parallel to the principal axis and incident on the lens, that is, I'm discussing about convex lens, then the refracted ray will converge or meet at a point that is focus. And second rule, this is the vice versa of first rule. And you know, when light pass through the optical center, then light, after refraction, light will go out through this point, that is optical center. Let's see our image. Okay, here when light is incident at the point of optical center, then light then after being refracted, light will pass through the okay. And second rule, these incident rays are parallel to the principal axis, and after reflection, light will pass through the principal focus. And rule 2 is vice versa. Okay, when light is incident from the principal focus, and then after refraction, the refracted rays are being parallel with the principal axis. Okay, this is the same case, but here lens is different. Okay, now I'm going to discuss about the image formation. Yes. Hello, boys. Boys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We can hear you, sir.
Okay, please, I am drawing your attention. Okay, I want to talk with you all, but I don't know it would be possible or not. I think this unmute procedure is very helpful for the discussion of image formation. Please cooperate me. Okay, you know it very well about our image formation shortcut rule. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, please cooperate me. Here, V is equal to 6 minus U. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Now, light rays are coming from infinity because there is no definite point. There is no definite point. Okay, there is no definite point. So, these light rays are coming from infinity. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you know it very well. Infinity is our point. That is point number. Point number?
6.
No,
One,
point
sir.
number 1. Exactly. Exactly.
One.
Now I am getting 5. Okay, I am getting 5. 5 is the point of principal focus. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so okay, so this rule is verified for also the image formation of lens. Okay, Paravi,
Yes, sir.
Paravi,
Yes, sir.
sir, what is the size of this image? What is the size of this image?
Inverted.
Inverted, obviously it is inverted, but it is upright or it is upright. Is it upright? No. I want to know the nature, whether it is real or virtual, whether it is real or virtual.
So it's real, sir.
It's real, exactly. Now, it's a question to all of you. What is the, yeah, please, what is the main difference? What is the main difference about the image formation of lens and mirror? Okay, mirror. While you are getting real image, this image must be formed in front of the, must be formed behind the mirror. That
Lens.
is, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Exactly. But here is the main difference is image will be formed in front of the
Lens.
lens. Exactly. Why? What is the reason for happening this? What is the reason for happening this? Yes, this is the main reason.
There is no
Because-
silvering, sir.
No, no, no. It is not our main reason.
Light rays can-
Exactly. It is refraction procedure. It is refraction procedure. Due to the refraction, light will cross the one medium and enter into the another medium. Okay. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's why it is happening like that. Okay, my dear boys, I think it is very much clear to all of you. Now, what is the magnification of this image? Is it magnified or diminished?
Diminished.
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 Yes. Is it follow my shortcut rule?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I have said when you are going from center of curvature towards infinity, then your image will be extended. But here you are not going towards infinity. Am I right? Boys?
Yes, sir.
Because this is the initial point and this is the last point for infinity. Okay, but it is vice versa. It is the reciprocal of this. That's why this image should be diminished. Okay, boys, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Object position is infinity. Image position focal plane of principal focus. Okay. And nature, real image and inverted. Okay. Let me allow. Okay. Real and inverted. And then it's extremely diminished. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Do you have any question about this image formation? Boys? Okay. Now,
Sir, I have a question, sir.
obviously, please tell me.
Sir, are the two rays coming from the same point?
The two rays coming from the same point? No. After reflection, they are
Yeah.
coming from the same point. They are meeting from the same point, but the procedure by which procedure these rays are coming is not right. Is not same. Is not same. Okay. One ray, that is first ray. First ray is parallel. Please listen to me. First ray is parallel to the principal axis. Am I right? First ray, this is our first ray.
Yeah.
First ray is parallel to the principal axis, but second ray, yes, second ray is not parallel. Second ray is not parallel. By which procedure second ray is coming? Please tell me. By which method or rule second ray is coming?
So the ray which passes through the optical center after refraction, it goes on the same way.
Exactly. So their meeting point is same, but the rules. Okay. The rules are not same. The rules are not same. Okay. Okay, my dear boys. Any question more? Okay. Can I change this? Boys. Now, object at infinity, is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Our next image formation. Distance less than that focal length. Okay. Hasin. Hasin. Hasin.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me? Can you tell me what is the similarity between this image formation and our concave mirror image formation? Okay. By this image formation, can you get any similarity between the image formation of concave mirror and convex mirror for this position? For this position. Yes.
Regarding the image formation,
Yes. Is it
here, why the focus? So why the focus?
Yes. For our concave mirror image formation, it was the position between or in the middle of focus and pole. Am I right? But
Yes, sir.
pole is replaced by optical center. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. For the image formation of concave mirror, you are getting or you will get image like
So
that.
there was a circumstances like they were actually not made intersect the two
Exactly.
rays, but
They are appearing me that these rays are diverging.
are
Okay.
getting intersected behind.
Exactly. They are
They are not imaginary.
diverging ray. They are diverging ray. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's a very clear concept to all of you. Now let's see our image formation. Okay. Image position, same side of the object. Okay. But what is the nature of this image? Is it real or virtual? Is it real? No, it is virtual and erect, bigger than that of our object. Magnification is okay, boys. Okay, boys. This image formation is clear to all of you. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. May I start? Next, may I start the next image formation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Object between infinity and center of curvature. Farabi. 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 Farabi, can you hear me? Farabi, can you hear me? Farabi. Farabi.
और अभी तो नहीं होना है सर.
Okay. Rakin. Rakin.
Sir. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Object between infinity and center of curvature. Okay, we can get it very easily by the application of our shortcut method. So infinity and center of curvature means 2. Okay. Now we are getting 4. 4 means in between focal and center of curvature. Okay. Between focus and center of curvature, real and inverted, small size, and magnification is m is less than 1. Now, object at center of curvature, it is very much clear that we will get our image at center of curvature. Okay, let's see the position of image and its nature. So m is equal to 1 means object and image size will be same. And here I should say about something in this image, about this image. You know it very well that we are getting this image from our book, and I have written here this is the image from our book, and this is not the image from our book or of our book. Okay. Now, object between focus and center of curvature. Focus and center of curvature means this is 4 and we are getting 2, that is in between center of curvature and infinity or beyond the center of curvature. Okay. Let's see. Object at focus. So focus means 5, we are getting 1. So this is infinity. Okay. Now I am discussing about the image formation of concave lens. This is the reciprocal of our convex mirror. This is the reciprocal of our convex mirror. Okay, and you know it very well that we are only get diminished image by the application of convex mirror. By the application of convex mirror, so it is vice versa for convex mirror. And now we are discussing about the image formation of concave lens.
ওইটা স্যার ওখানে ওইটা ডটেড লাইন দেওয়া নাই স্যার আমরা কি দেবো
This is happened due to the convergence. Okay, this is happens due to the convergence. But what is the significance of dotted line? Yes, the significance of dotted lines is it is being happened due to the divergence. It is being happened due to the divergence. So you are bound to use dotted line. You are bound to use dotted line. Okay.
Sir, current electricity.
No, I'm talking about the topic of this chapter. Till now, I am discussing about the image formation by the lens, that is concave lens and convex lens, and I tried my level best to show the similarity between the image formation of mirror and mirror and boys.
ঘন্টা ধরে কি এই ক্লাসে করব
সুভাষ স্যার আসছে।
8:30
হ্যালো
Yes, sir.
Start. What topic should I start? And you know it very well that I don't wanna
So power
prolong
of
this
sir.
hour. Hour of lens. Boys,
Power of lens, sir. It's a power of lens.
Yes, sir. Power of lens, sir. So math
Sir, I have a
regarding power of
question.
lens.
math regarding power of lens. Okay. Before starting this, please see the sign convention. Okay. By sign convention
Yes, sir.
about the formation of. See the sign convention about the image formation of concave and convex lens. Okay. Real object, real image. Okay. You know it very well that when should we use should we use V as positive or V as negative? Okay. You know it very well. V positive means real image. V positive means real image. V negative means virtual image. Okay. Yes.
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
F positive means it is convex lens. Negative means it is
Concave.
concave lens. Okay. M
Yes, sir.
positive means this image is upright or erect. M negative means image is inverted. Okay. Boys, okay.
ওকে স্যার
Now, M is greater than 1 means image is extended or enlarged. M is equal to 1 means it is equal to the object. M is less than 1 means it is small in size. Okay. Now, is it clear about the sign convention of our image formation by concave and convex lens, boys?
Sir,
Yes,
please
sir.
repeat the. Sir, please repeat V, sir. V positive and V negative, sir.
Okay. V positive means what is the significance about the V positive and V negative? Please try to understand. V positive means image is V positive means image is real. Okay. V positive means image is real. Okay. And it is not only like that, it is also like that this image must be formed in front of the lens in front.
বেড়ে গেছে স্যার,
বেরোয় গেছে।
আবার
না, বেরোয়নি,
ঢুকছে।
স্যার আছে।
আবার ঢুকছে।
স্যার আছে।
কি হয়ে গেল?
Okay, my dear boys, you know it very well. The eyes that is having inside our eyes. This lens is convex lens. So the nature of the image formation of our convex lens is the converging. Okay, you know it very well. When light rays coming and inside into our lens after being refraction, these rays are incident at a point, and this point is.
রাত থেকে বৃষ্টি হয়ে যাবো
This point is the indication. This point is the indication of our. This point is indication of our image. Okay. Now there are two defects of our eyes, mainly short sight and long sight. So it should be very careful. Sorry, it should be very helpful for us to know this defect by the name, that is myopia. The spelling of myopia is very small, but the spelling of hypermetropia is very large. So you can take the help by the spelling of this myopia. Myopia spelling is small, so the region. At first, I am discussing about the region of myopia. Okay, the region